As I came in by Methlictoon, a lass I did espy. Oh, she was fair, she was keen, by the sparkle in her eye. Oh, says she to me, it's well you come, oh, and spend with me the night. Oh, lie in my arms, we are your charms, upon the braes o' Gechto. Says I'm a quine, I'll fairly gang, oh, and spend with ye the night. Oh, syne we wannot up the road, as the siller mean shone brecht. Oh, I slipped my arm around her waist, and held her sae tight. Oh, kissed her bonny cheek and chin, upon the braes o' Gechto. Knew it was in her feather bed, oh, the twa o' us did lie. Oh, to a' the hours o' the morn, we monies a sobbing sigh. Oh, says I to her, I must awa, afore the sun shines bright. Oh, so I gathered together all my gear, and left the braes o' Gechto. So fare thee weel to Methlictoon, I'll bid ye adieu. Oh, I fare thee weel, my bonny lass, I lie mine on you. Oh, and so I dannert down the road, I among the leaves sae green. Oh, we never thought, and tae my heed, if it could or micht hae been.